way more substantialer. These springs right there, the upper spring, I guess that's what it's called.
Tender.
The tender spring. Tender is a good word for it. Tender should be spelled useless. That spring does absolutely nothing. As you can see, that's the machine at rest and it's not doing anything. Then when you get on the machine, it just completely compresses. It's 100% useless. What we have, called a company called Bandit, and that's them. What in the world can we do about this? This is our Bandit tender spring opening. We have not opened this box yet.
Much bigger, much heavier duty.
Bandit Pro Bs. There's our new springs, and that is going to replace the tender spring on the machine.
Hey!
Top one's undone.
Yuck. Boy, all over all your metal.
Nice and loosey-goosey. This is the way we do this. I mean, it was just a.
I'm just following the directions that the guy had on. The guy that did it on the video with the hammer and screwdriver, he sped it up, you know, so it's like.
There you go. It has to.
How did it come? They're falling out on my feet.
More water.
There. Ta-da!
Spring off. This goes like this.
Old spring off. New spring. Right, let's have a comparison. On the garbage. Bandit off-road. Way more substantialer.
You know what?
Compressy. Yeah, I mean, that's supposed to be doing something on the machine. It's such a joke. Thanks, Honda. I can get like 1/8 of an inch. Just that's it. This goes on, and then that, and then that.
Yeah.
Doop, doop, doop. Right, right.
Beautiful. Something seems wrong though. Look what? This looks like it's
Floppy.
This is upside. Which is why we didn't have to fight each other. That is the way it goes, right?
Planted. We know nothing. Ever. Yeah, right at 3.5. It's just a little longer than 3 3/4. Well, we can tighten the collar on the machine. Get the bolts back through the holes, then tighten the collar.
That's true. Let's do that. Yeah.
So those that have done this before probably saw it coming, but not matching up.
Wait a second, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm working with somebody here.
I'm a genius. So what we have now is unsprung, and now he's on it. I'll put the comparison video from the original tender spring in there with that. Our shiny new bumper. Updated with the new plate on there. Kind of fixed our foo bar. Anyone that may be curious, those are some Husky boxes that we got from Home Depot. They're great for storage. They're bolted down with some turnbuckles. Work out just right. Back in our cave, and we will start the rear bumper very shortly.